It's been a while, about 2 years now. I'm at my home, peacefully enjoying my vacation. Today is May 7, 2026. I have been planning for a long time to go shoot and visit NH66 six-lane work progress, which passes through my village. The works are improving rapidly. I don't even understand which detour to take on the way back to home. The work has been progress for 4 years. Now you are seeing the Anjangal area. The current road I am riding on was the old NH66, earlier known as NH70. We are near the drainage and the service roads. By the 6 lane section, we can see how it's going on. The drainage is actually now in the middle of the old NH66 road, necessary to collect water coming over the highway in the rainy season. This is Anjangal Junction with the underpass connecting the east and west service roads. Our homes and small scale business are separated by the highway. Some friends need to travel around 1 to 2 kilometers just to cross from one side to other. It feels like a border or something like that. At the Etai point, there is an entry and exit to the highway with the signboards indicating no entry for two-wheelers, tractors, three-wheelers, etc. The road is not fully open yet, so that's why I'm entering now. Other areas have ongoing work, diverting traffic temporarily through here. Actually, this NH starts from Panvel, Maharashtra and ends at Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, spanning about 1640 kilometers. The area you are seeing right now is the post office in my village. This is the spot I mentioned earlier where drainage work is going on through the middle of old NH66. Our village area is also known as Manapuram, which means river sand land. Mm, river sand land. Our village soil is kind of pure river pit sand available here. That's why the excavation area looks white. The sedimentation from the river and the nearby sea makes the baseline. Let's take a short trip through NH66 covering our village. Now I'm heading towards Chettuva. The road is extremely smooth, no jerking or jumping. It's quite well journey. The area you are seeing right now is Chettuva. There is a river crossing nearby known as Chettuva backwater. You can see that the bridge section of the expressway is still under construction. Now I am exactly over the bridge. I have reached Munamkalli, where the road is blocked ahead. A crane is standing in the middle of the service road, and a worker is connecting a rainout pipe from the expressway to the nearby service train to collect rainwater. I took a U-turn at Munamkalli and headed towards south. On my way back, I noticed a pale-colored material used for road construction. As I mentioned earlier, river pit sand is collected here. There is also dredging equipment working in the backwaters. These small dredger machines work using suction created with the help of a compressor, and at the bottom there is a fixed mud cutter that loosens the soil. This part of the river is from the Kanoli Canal, and now we can see a thick forest-like patch of bushes. These are the mangroves. I have some video footage of kayaking through the mangroves, which I will share later. The sun is about to set around 5:30 pm, and I am going to next part of the backwater. This part of the NH is near Raja Resort. The guy is selling shells here. Again we are passing near the Chettuva bridge, and here is Shah International Auditorium, one of the major auditorium in our village. Now I am taking a diversion to the Panchayat roads of Engandiyur, which is passing closest to the backwaters. Now I am exactly under the newly constructed bridge. You can see the old damaged pontoon that was used for the dredging work. It is now under maintenance. The pontoons that were scattered here and there have been gathered here. This part of the river is Karivannur Puzha, bringing sand from the southern waters of Thrissur. A guy is fishing there. We can see the mangrove forest and Raj Island from here. Workers gathered here and planning the next schedule. I was here on the voting day. From the election news, I found that my village has been under Communist Party rule for over 20 years. Earlier, I used to blame Communist Party for not making any arrangements to clear the mud that was deposited here. Because of that, during the 2018 flood, our river hesitated to take a turning and instead overflowed onto the land. Due to the reduced water carrying capacity caused by the excess deposit mud and sand, the river could not contain the flood water. But now they are using dredgers and clearing that mud. The early batches of dredged material were pure mud, which cannot be used for landfilling, but can be used for agriculture and similar purpose. The later batches are more sandy river sediment, though there may be some salt content in it because of the nearby sea. It's actually a blessing for the expressway construction and also a good example of effective use of dredged sand. By the way, Communist Party won the election again in our village. Chettuva Kail is a major junction in the Kanoli Canal network, serving as the point where the man-made canal meets the natural water bodies in Thrissur district. This connection is a critical part of the West Coast Canal system, which historically linked northern Malabar to Travancore in south. The canal was built by H.V. Connolly in 1850, the former British district collector of Malabar. The man-made section of the Connolly Canal travels south from Ponnani and Bepur Kail for approximately 29 kilometers before entering the Chettuva backwaters near Chowkat. The southern continuation from the Chettuva backwaters goes through the natural courses into Enamakkal Lake, then south towards Kodungalur, eventually joining National Waterway 3. Today, Chettuva backwaters are a popular destination for houseboat cruises navigating the canal through mangrove forests and the estuary. The section between Ponnani and the Chettuva is part of the ambitious project to develop a seamless 616-kilometer inland waterway across Kerala. I have already done a kayaking in the mangroves of Chettuva. I will upload it later. And uh, and uh, I'm running out of words. Now I reached near Pulinchod Palam. I'm about to wind up my video, but I think I got a chance to show some extra in this video. We just passed a elephant transportation vehicle. We are near the Panayangolangara Devi temple. Let's see what's going on here. ചേട്ടാ ആനയുണ്ടോ? So I was sure there would be an elephant here. I went to check and yes, one elephant is parked here as part of the temple festival. I don't know the elephant's name, but I captured the moment. A nice bonus for this trip. So here is the temple. That's it. I'm winding up my video here. In the next video, I'm planning to shoot the beach side of my village. See you in the next one.